In this video, I want to make a quick update on Evolution AB. As I'm recording this video, the stock is at oversold levels and we had a couple of updates for Evolution AB. The first update we had was that Kenneth Dart increased his position. Kenneth Dart has been outsider, big investor, billionaire investor buying Evolution AB a few months ago, and he has now become the largest investor in this company. And a few days ago, he bought more. So now he owns more than 16% of the company. You have this article here. Dart increases in Evolution, now largest owner with 16.3% of the capital. And maybe he plans to continue to buy more in 2025, but clearly he sees the stock as being cheap at the moment. Let me take a look at the stock price. We are at oversold territory. The stock has been doing nothing for 4 years while fundamentals have improved. So you have a clear opportunity here, and Kenneth Dart is taking advantage of this opportunity. So he has become the majority owner of Evolution. And at the same time, you have one big fund, Capital Group, that is reducing their stake. They announced it a few months ago, and that will cut their position. So now Kenneth Dart has become the biggest owner. If I go to FinChat, on FinChat, by the way, you have a link in the description if you want to discount to try it out. You can check the ownership of Evolution AB. You go to holders and you see this. This has to be updated when the new data is updated. But yeah, you clearly see Mr. Dart as the majority holder. You have Capital Group that is selling their position. And then you have some insiders, the founders of the company and other funds. So clearly now that Mr. Dart is the largest holder by a lot, he has some power. He has some power to force buybacks if he wants. He has some power to have a say in this company. And that's pretty good, because I made a video about Kenneth Dart a few weeks ago and highlighting the different investments he has made in the past, about tobacco companies, for example. And tobacco companies were strong brands with good fundamentals. And since he invested, these companies have increased dividends, increased buybacks. So it's pretty likely that now, as the stock is down, the company will increase dividends, increase buybacks. They already did it. And now I think it's a fabulous time to invest in Evolution. I mean, full disclosure, I own it in my portfolio. That's roughly 10-12% of my portfolio. And now with the latest moves we had, we entered clearly the oversold territory. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if this is the bottom of the stock. It can go down as always. I'm not predicting anything, but you clearly have some bad news that is priced in for the company. So we will see the latest report, but that's pretty interesting. By the way, if you're looking for a complete framework to analyze stocks and build a strong portfolio, I have a coaching program. More on that at the end of the video. At the same time, you have the short investors covering up. So in this page, you see the short percentage. So that's the amount of the float of the stocks that people are being short of. So people are betting against Evolution. You see that people were like 1% of the people of the market was betting against Evolution in 2015, and then you had the same fear growth scare in 2018, 2020, and now since 2024, this percentage has increased a lot. The amount of short people increased a lot. People were betting against Evolution largely until the beginning of 2025. Like all the major negative news that came out about Evolution at the beginning of 2025. And you see that this chart is going down again. The amount of short sellers is declining. People are covering their shorts, saying, okay, it's down too much, the company is down too much, that's fine, you don't see any downside, and that can be a pretty good boost in the short term. So nothing to do with the fundamentals of the analysis, but if you want some catalysts, insiders buying more, Mr. Dart buying more, short investors covering up their positions, that's pretty good catalyst. You don't need a lot of stuff to go the right so that the stock can rebound now. They just need a good earnings report, and that will be pretty fine. But it's pretty interesting to see that the short sellers are done and are leaving the boat. I'm seeing this percentage, 3 or 4%. I've seen different percentages depending on the website, but the trend is clearly the same. People are covering their position. People are covering their position, and you don't have much short selling pressure right now. So pretty interesting, and I'm really looking forward to seeing evolution in 2025. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the bottom. Now, I mean, with everything that is happening, that could be pretty fine. The only thing that matters now is the next earnings report. If the cyber risk is done, and if they come back to growth. From the latest data, you had much more players in their rooms. You had a record amount of players playing online gambling. So purely based on the data we have, not from the company, but from different reports, you have much more players. So maybe some growth. The only thing that matters is the revenue growth, come back to growth for the latest earnings report, and some updates on the regulation and cyber attacks. Pretty interesting. So I wouldn't be surprised, by the way, for the next earnings report if the stock widely fluctuates. Like it goes up by 15% in one day or goes down by 15% in one day. So be careful, act accordingly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This stock is an investment that is quite risky because that's in an industry that is changing a lot and fundamentals are changing a lot for this company. But yeah, I think when it comes to the risk reward opportunity, this stock is incredibly cheap. That can be the best performer of my portfolio for 2025 because everything, all the bad news is priced in, and the stock has a PE ratio of 10, of 11. What can I see here? PE ratio of 11. Nothing, no growth is priced in. People expect this company to be hit, and from the latest data we have, evolution is catching up when it comes to growth, and the competition is not getting more market share. Evolution is remaining the leader in their category and improving their fundamentals. So that's the latest updates. We will have the confirmation in 1 month with the earnings report. I will cover it in this YouTube channel, don't worry. But from what I see from different sources, this is good news. Maybe I will be wrong. Maybe the new good news will be bad news. I don't know, I'm just guessing. I can be completely wrong on this one. I know that a lot of you are invested in evolution. Maybe if you watch this video, maybe you are. But yeah, we are on the same boat for this one. If you lose, I lose. I walk the talk, as we say. So that's it, quick updates for you. A Dart increasing in position, the short are covering their positions, and you have updates, more players, so maybe more revenue. So good news for the stock and the company in the near term. That's it for this video, guys. I wish you a nice rest of your day.
If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio. Additionally, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you are blocked, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description to get more information. You will get a video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need to sign up, no need for your email address. Just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.